Hello and welcome to my showroom here in humble Ajax, Ontario, where I have a 2021 S60 Momentum T5 all-wheel drive, finished in the beautiful onyx black with the gorgeous Thor's hammer headlights. We've got the nice 19-inch rims on the side, electric folding mirrors with blind spot indication as well, keyless entry on every door. Taking a look around the back here. We have the T5 designation, which is our fuel-efficient inline-4 with the all-wheel drive, using a Swedish built and manufactured Haldex system. And of course, your sunroof for the summer. Let's go check out the inside. All right, sitting in the S60 now, you'll see we have our beautiful digital display here with the speed and the RPM gauges. The map is optional. You can also have your radio station or nothing at all if you prefer more of a peaceful drive. We have a 9-inch touchscreen here in the center with navigation with real-time traffic. It's just like on your phone. You zoom in and out, nice and easy. And it is an infrared-based screen, which means you can wear the thickest winter gloves, and still be able to use it. We have a nice start button here, which is a twist. We have some drive modes as well, as you can see here. So we've got eco, comfort, or dynamic if you're maybe a little late for work. Nice center console, which acts as a armrest. We've got our rear heated seats. And these seats here actually have whiplash protection in them. And they're a nice leatherette, which is nice and sustainable, bringing that carbon footprint down. And then back here, we do have some hookups for some child seats if needed.